Good morning, grade 3. How are you today? Let's start our lesson today. How does sound travel? Open your science book, page 396. Sound travels through matter. Yes or no? Sound travels through matter. This matter may be solid, liquid, or gas. Yes, the energy of back and forth vibrations makes sound. Yes, as the bell rings, its vibrations results in space where air particles are squeezed together and spaces where air particles are spread apart. Yes, this movement of particles makes a kind of wave called compression wave. This movement of particles makes a kind of wave called compression wave. Sound waves are compression waves. Okay? The length of a sound wave, grade 3, the length of a sound wave is its wavelength. It's measured from the center of one compression to the center of the next compression. Okay? Sound travels. When sound travels, grade 3, it loses energy or no? Yes, it loses energy as they travel. So when you are standing next to the object that is vibrating, it can be very loud. Yes, if you move farther away from the object, the sound will not be as loud. Yes, listen.
Bubbles, can you bring me my bag? Where is my bag? Why did you not bring my bag, Bubbles?
I couldn't hear you, Spiky.
But I called you so many times.
Oh, maybe because your sound did not travel to Bubbles.
What? Does sound travel?
Yes, sound travels. But how can sound travel? Sound is a form of energy that spreads from its source in all directions. We hear sound when vibrating particles hit our eardrum. Sound moves when the particles hit each other and pass on the vibrations. That's why sound needs a medium for its propagation. The medium may be a gas such as air, a liquid such as water, or a solid such as metal. Do you recall the last time you saw lightning? You saw the flash of lightning first and heard thunder only a few seconds later.
But why did you see lightning first?
Sound travels more slowly than light in air. So sound takes...
Yes, if you see these fireworks, from far away, you will see the flash before you hear the sound. Why? Because light travels much faster than sound. Okay, grade 3? So, sound travels only through matter, solid, liquid, or gas. So, there is no matter between stars and planet teacher in space. So, in space, there is a sound or no? Yes, there is no sound in space. Very good. Sound movement through liquids, solids, and gases. Yes, air is made of gases. Yes, air is made of gas. The particles in gases are farther apart than in liquids and in solids. So it takes longer for one gas particle to hit another one and moves the sound energy along. Particles in liquids are closer together. Yes, water is a liquid. So sound travels more quickly in water than it does in air. Particles in solids are even closer together also. Sound travels through a solid. Listen.
Longer to reach us. The speed of light is almost 1,000,000 times faster. Air is made up of gases. The particles in gases are farther apart than in liquids or solids. It takes longer for one gas particle to hit another gas particle and move the sound energy along. Sound can travel through other mediums than air. In fact, in water, sound travels faster and can travel further. Particles in water are closer together. That's why sound travels more quickly in water than in air. Sound waves travel even better through solid things like wood or metal. The particles.
Yes, echoes. You hear an echo when sound waves strike an object and then bounce back. Yes, this is called what? Echoes. Echoes. You hear an echo when sound waves strike an object and then bounce back. Complete.
In a solid are tightly packed and sound waves travel fastest in this medium. Let's find out how sound travels in solids. Tap your desk with your hand and listen to the sound it makes. Now put your ear on your desk and tap the desk again. Did you notice a change in sound? Which one was louder?
The one that I heard by putting my ear on the desk.
The sound is louder because the sound vibrations travel faster through solids than in air. When you heard the tap the first time, sound waves traveled through air. But when you put your ear on the desk and heard the tap, the sound waves travel through the desk, which is a solid. In outer space, you can't hear anything because there is no air or any other matter. We call this a vacuum. So there is no medium that sound can use to travel. When you see a spaceship explode in space, you don't hear a thing.
Okay, grade 3. Now, who can solve this checkpoint? Why does sound travel quickest through liquids? Okay, again. Why does sound travel quickest through solids than liquids? Sound travels fastest through solids because the particles are closest together. Okay, grade 3. Goodbye.